provided additional height for an unrestricted rotation. Company was easy to work with. Wrong product was shipped. I contacted them and they responded to my message within a couple HRS. Next morning the quick disconnect was shipped out to me. Product is excellent quality and easy to install. Seat slides in and out easy. Well worth the money. Adjusts to many seats. Very sturdy and easy to attach to seats and boat pad. Easy to install and appears to be very sturdy. Time will tell. This product is heavy duty. Seat bracket slides easy, on and off works as it should. Would recommend this product.